how to add team members or administrators or users who have administration access to your TekMatix account. One of the cool things about TekMatix is you can add unlimited team members or users and really give them advanced versions of permissions inside your TekMatix account. This is definitely above and beyond what a number of the other platforms allow you to be able to do. So in your main account, click on settings, and inside your settings, you then have a section called My Staff. And this will allow you to basically go in and add as many administrations, staff, team members, users as you wish. So I'll just open up somebody here. Basically, you just press Add Employee. And first of all, here you pop in all of their user information. So you can add a photograph for them, all of their contact details and information. Now, as soon as you add their contact information, it will automatically send them an email with their login access. And by the way, your staff also get a mobile app that they can download from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. This TekMatix app will allow them to access whatever they've been given permissions to, such as the inbox, where all of your social media messages come in, your emails come in to the business. They can respond and reply to people from the app, appointments, calendars, lists of leads, and a whole range of the CRM and contact features inside TekMatix. And that is all included in your TekMatix account. So all of your staff members can get access to that app version as well as the desktop version from here. So you can obviously choose whether or not they have signatures on their ingoing and outgoing mailings. You can edit all of that there. You can assign them to certain calendars or events inside your system as well. Now, under user permissions, you'll see here there's actually really advanced settings for what you do or don't want certain individuals to have access to. So it's just a case of reading through, turning these on or off as you wish that person to have permissions. So you can see here, I might not want them to have access to any of my contacts, but I do want them to have access to appointments. I might want them to have access to funnels and courses. Memberships means courses here. So that they may be, they're editing courses for me, they're helping manage your course content, but you don't want them to be able to access content, your contacts, for instance. Maybe you've got a VA that does all of your social media scheduling for you. So maybe you only want them to have access to the social media scheduler. In that case, you turn everything else off and turn your social media scheduler on. Maybe you've got a VA that just does the blogging for you, right? And so you can give them access just to the blog and nothing else. So this really allows you quite clever permission adjusting based on the support users, the teams, the employees that you have inside your business. Now, there's also a whole heap of other settings that you can choose, but basically this is the area that you do it. And of course, once you've got people in your business, if for any reason you wanted to remove them, you can simply press delete, and that person will no longer have any access whatsoever to your account. If you've got any questions about using TekMatix, contact us on support@tekmatix.com. Otherwise, if you don't yet have an account, why not go and grab yourself a free trial on tekmatix.com. I can't wait to see you there. Happy checking.